Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for large format 3D printing reviews, desktop additive manufacturing breakdowns, maker setup guides, and automated tech showcases. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a high-speed, large-scale consumer FDM setup, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max combo featuring dual Ace Pro filament engines for 8-color printing. For cosplay creators, prop makers, and industrial designers, printing large multicolored models often means either splitting parts into dozens of smaller pieces or settling for single-color spools that require tedious painting later. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max combo addresses this by pairing an expansive build envelope with an automated 8-color material handling ecosystem. At the center of the system is a $420 x 420 x 500 text build volume. Offering over 88 liters of printable space, this platform lets you slice and execute full-scale helmets, architectural mock-ups, and large prototype batches directly on a flexible K-spring steel bed. To support these large-scale dimensions at high speeds, the machine utilizes dual Y-axis motors and rigid gantry supports to prevent layer shifting and motion resonance. What sets this bundle apart is the integration of two Anycubic Ace Pro units. Connected in parallel, these units allow up to 8 distinct spools to feed seamlessly into the direct drive printhead. Beyond automated material swapping, each Ace Pro includes active drying functionality up to 55 degrees Celsius, keeping moisture-sensitive spools dry during multi-day prints. Speed and precision are balanced via Kobra OS. The machine achieves maximum print speeds up to 600 mm per second with 10,000 mm per second squared acceleration, relying on LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling to calibrate bed mesh settings automatically before every job. With an upgraded 300-degree high-temperature quick-release hotend, intelligent filament runout sensors, and remote management through the Anycubic Slicer Next platform, this machine provides an end-to-end large-scale printing solution. Combining an 88.2-liter build capacity, dual Ace Pro active drying filament engines, 8-color printing support, and 600 mm per second top speed, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max combo provides a capable system for large-format multi-material production. If you enjoyed this hardware breakdown and showcase, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What full-sized cosplay helmet or multicolor model would you print first on this platform?